Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are all fine. This is your instructor Sadia Hamir from Department of Chemistry. Today we are starting with the third lecture of chapter number 18, that is alcohol, phenol and ether. Previously we have discussed about alcohol. Now we are going to start the phenol. In this lecture we will discuss about nomenclature of phenol, physical properties of phenol, acidity of phenol and reactivity of phenol. At the end of this lecture you must be able to know about why phenol is more acidic than alcohol. Although alcohol and phenol both have OH group, but phenol is more acidic than alcohol, and why phenol is less acidic than carboxylic acid. You must be able to know about the different methods of preparation of phenol. You must be know about the reactivity of phenol, that why phenol is more reactive than benzene. Phenol. Phenol is an aromatic compound containing one or more OH groups directly attached with the carbon of benzene ring. It is white crystalline solid that is volatile in nature. The molecule consists of phenyl group C6H5 bounded to OH group. Just like alcohol, it may be monohydric, polyhydric and dihydric depending upon the number of OH group that is bounded to phenyl group. The term phenol is also the specific name for its simplest member, monohydroxybenzene, known as carbolic acid C6H5OH. Phenol is derived from the old name for benzene, phen, to include the suffix that indicates that it has OH hydroxyl group is present. Phenol are acidic in nature and it was first time extracted from coal tar. Nomenclature of phenol. Now let me give you certain example that we understand that how we can give the naming of phenol in the common system. In phenol, OH group is attached to the carbon. That carbon is considered to be position number 1. And with respect to that carbon, किसी भी कार्बन को आप नंबरिंग दे सकते हैं विद रिस्पेक्ट टू डैट कार्बन किसी भी डायरेक्शन में, इधर ऑन डैट साइड और अनदर साइड, क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन और एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन डिपेंड करता है कि आपका नेक्स्ट सब्स्टिट्यूट कहाँ पे अटैच है और उसको लोएस्ट नंबर कौन सी साइड से मिलेगा. सपोज इफ़ योर सब्स्टिट्यूट इज़ अटैच ऑन द पोजीशन नंबर 2 and position number 6 with respect to position number 1 on which the OH group is basically attached, with respect to that position, these positions are considered to be at ortho position. And if any substitute, it could be OH group, it could be methyl or any other substitute, if it is attached on the position number 3 or position number 5, these carbon are known as metacarbon, and this position is known as meta position with respect to carbon number 1. And if any substitute which is attached on the opposite of OH group or it is attached on the position number 4, this position is known as para positions. That's mean if substitute is attached on the position number 2 and 6, these are considered are known as ortho position with respect to position number 1, and with respect to this position, the position number 3 and 5 is known as meta position, and position number 4 is known as para position. These are two examples for which we can understand how we can give the common name of phenol. In this example, this carbon is considered to be carbon number 1 because OH group is attached. But if you observe the position of CH3 is attached the position number 3 with respect to the OH group. and this position is known as meta position with respect to OH, and that's the reason the name of this compound is called metamethyl, because substituent is methyl and we use the substituent as a prefix and the portophenol is used as the suffix, so its name is metamethyl phenol. It could be also called as a special name metacresol. Meta stand for that methyl group is present at the meta positions. In this case, methyl group is present on the opposite side of OH group and it is present on the position number 4th. This position is known as para with respect to OH group, so its name should be para. P stand for para, and then we use the substituent as a prefix. The substituent is methyl, so its name is paramethyl phenol, and it could be also called as paracresol. This is how we basically give the name of common system. Now let's take another example. Consider another examples. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, जब भी एल्डिहाइडिक और कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड और कीटोनिक ग्रुप प्रेजेंट होंगे रिंग में, इन दैट केस हम प्रेफरेंस इन फंक्शनल ग्रुप को देंगे रेदर देन अल्कोहल, एंड अल्कोहल को हम एज अ सब्स्टिट्यूट नेमिंग देंगे. फॉर एग्जांपल इन दिस केस एल्डिहाइडिक ग्रुप इज प्रेजेंट, सो वो हम नेम पेरेंट नेम इस केस में हम देंगे benzaldehyde, because aldehyde group is present on benzene ring, then its name is benzaldehyde and this carbon is considered at the position number 1. With respect to this carbon, OH group is present on the position number 2 and this carbon is considered as ortho with respect to this aldehydic group. So the naming of this compound should be ortho hydroxy benzaldehyde, because OH group is present at ortho position with respect to aldehydic functional group. So parent name of this compound is benzaldehyde and at the position number 2 at ortho position OH group is attached, so this compound could be named as ortho hydroxy benzaldehyde. This is how we basically give the name in common system. Now let us understand how we can give the IUPAC nomenclature to phenol. In IUPAC system, OH group is represented by the name hydroxyl. It is used as the prefix, while the benzene part of the molecule is used as the suffix. For example, in this case, 2-hydroxyl group is attached on the benzene ring. In IUPAC system, the hydroxyl group is used as the prefix. So here 2-hydroxyl group is present, so we use the word di for 2. And hydroxyl group is present and the position number 1, 2 with respect to each other. One hydroxyl group is present at the carbon number 1 and another hydroxyl group is present on the carbon number 2. So we also mention the position of each substituent in IUPAC system. In IUPAC system इसको हम लिखेंगे 1,2-dihydroxybenzene, बिकॉज सब्स्टिट्यूट को हम एज अ प्रीफिक्स लेंगे और पार्ट ऑफ बेंजीन को हम एज अ सुफिक्स लेंगे इन IUPAC सिस्टम में, और हर एक सब्स्टिट्यूट की पोजीशन हम मेंशन करेंगे. एक हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप प्रेजेंट है 1 कार्बन पे, विद रिस्पेक्ट टू दैट हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप सेकेंड सब्स्टिट्यूट प्रेजेंट है ऑन द पोजीशन नंबर 2. इसी तरह हम कॉमन सिस्टम में, जब हम कॉमन सिस्टम लेंगे, इन द कॉमन सिस्टम वी टेक phenol as a parent compound. So with respect to position number 1, second OH group is present at the ortho position, because we have already discussed that the position number 2 is known as ortho position. Second OH group is present at the ortho position, so the name of this compound should be ortho-hydroxy and the substituent is hydroxy. So the compound name is ortho-hydroxyphenol, and this compound have some special name if 2 OH group is attached on the benzene ring, and these OH group is ortho with respect to each other or 1-2 position with respect to each other, then this compound should have the special name known as a catechol. In the second case, 2 hydroxyl group is present, but second hydroxyl group is present at the position number 3 with respect to 1 hydroxyl group, and नेम देने का तरीका बिल्कुल सेम है, सिर्फ पोजीशन हमने चेंज करनी है. इन दिस केस इट शुड बी 1,3 डाई हाइड्रोक्सी बेंजीन. डाई हाइड्रोक्सी 2 हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप अटैच है बेंजीन रिंग पे, एंड उनकी पोजीशन है 1,3 पोजीशन. एक हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप प्रेजेंट है कार्बन नंबर 1 पे, सेकेंड हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप आपके पास प्रेजेंट है कार्बन नंबर 3 पे. सो दोनों हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप की पोजीशन आप मेंशन करेंगे, और उनको लिखने का तरीका ये है कि सब्स्टिट्यूएंट को आप एज अ प्रीफिक्स लिखेंगे और पार्ट ऑफ बेंजीन को आप एज अ सुफिक्स लेंगे. तो इस केस में इस कंपाउंड का नेम होगा 1,3 डाई हाइड्रोक्सी बेंजीन इन IUPAC system, and in common system third position is known as meta position. So we use the word M, which indicate that another hydroxyl group is present on the meta position. So in common system, the name of this compound should be meta hydroxyphenol. This compound also have the special name known as resorcinol. If 2 hydroxyl group is present on benzene ring, and these hydroxyl group are ortho with respect to each other, then this compound has a name known as a catechol. And when these 2 hydroxyl group are present on benzene ring and they are present at meta with respect to each other, that this compound have a special name known as resorcinol. And when OH group is present at the position number 4 with respect to the position number 1, 2 हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप प्रेजेंट है बेंजीन रिंग पे, एक कार्बन नंबर 1 पे प्रेजेंट है एंड सेकंड प्रेजेंट है कार्बन नंबर 4 पे. मेथड सेम है, सिर्फ पोजीशन हमने मेंशन करनी है दोनों हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप की. इस केस में इस कंपाउंड का नेम होगा 1,4 डाईहाइड्रोक्सी बेंजीन. 1/4 पोजीशन पे 2 सब्स्टिट्यूएंट, बेंजीन की 1/4 पोजीशन पे 2 सब्स्टिट्यूएंट प्रेजेंट है, एंड दैट सब्स्टिट्यूएंट इज डाईहाइड्रोक्सी. हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप प्रेजेंट है, सो द नेम ऑफ दिस कंपाउंड शुड बी 1,4 डाईहाइड्रोक्सी बेंजीन in IUPAC system. And in the common system we use the word para for position number 4. The carbon number 4 is considered as the para position. So in the common system इस कंपाउंड का नेम आपके पास होगा पैरा हाइड्रोक्सी फिनोल. कॉमन सिस्टम में फिनोल को आप एज अ पेरेंट लेंगे, एंड विद रिस्पेक्ट और जिस कार्बन के साथ OH ग्रुप अटैच होगा उस कार्बन को हम कंसिडर करेंगे कार्बन नंबर 1, और उस कार्बन की with respect to that carbon the another substituent is present on the para position, then we use the word P for para, and the name of this compound should be para hydroxyphenol. This compound also have the some special name. This is known as hydroquinone. So when 2 hydroxyl group is attached on the benzene ring and these hydroxyl group are present at 1/4 position with respect to each other, or the para position with respect to each other, that this compound have some special name known as hydroquinone. Let's take another example. In this case NO2 group is attached on the phenol. फिनोल है आपके पास और अनदर सब्स्टिट्यूट आपके पास जो है NO2 ग्रुप है रेदर देन हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप. इस केस में नेमिंग देने का मेथड बिल्कुल सेम है. इन IUPAC सिस्टम में जो आपके पास सब्स्टिट्यूट है उसको आप लेंगे एज अ प्रीफिक्स और फिनोल पार्ट को आप लेंगे एज अ सफिक्स. सो इस केस में इस कंपाउंड का नेम आपके पास होगा 2-नाइट्रोफिनोल, बिकॉज OH ग्रुप जिस कार्बन पे अटैच है वो कार्बन आपके पास हो जाएगी कार्बन नंबर 1, एंड विद रिस्पेक्ट टू दैट कार्बन अनदर सब्स्टिट्यूट NO2 आपके पास अटैच है कार्बन नंबर 2, और कॉमन IUPAC सिस्टम में आपने इस सब्स्टिट्यूट की पोजीशन मेंशन करनी है. पोजीशन नंबर 2 पे नाइट्रो ग्रुप अटैच है. सो द नेम ऑफ दिस कंपाउंड शुड बी 2-nitrophenol in IUPAC system, and in the common system second position is known as ortho position. Nitro group is present at ortho position with respect to OH group, so the name of this compound should be orthonitrophenol in the common system. And when NO2 group is attached on the position number 3 with respect to OH group, then in IUPAC system this compound should be named as 3-nitrophenol, and in the common system it should be meta-nitrophenol. And when phenol is present at the position number 4th, then the name of this compound should be 4-nitrophenol or para-nitrophenol, because the 4th carbon is known as para, is considered as the para position with respect to position number 1 in which OH is basically attached. And if more than one substituent is attached on the phenol, for example if 3-nitro group is attached on the phenol, then we use the word try for 3 because 3 substituents are similar. So in this case 3-nitro group is attached, and these nitro group are attached on the position number 2, 4 and 6. So we also mention the position of these nitro group, and the name of this compound should be 2,4,6 trinitrophenol, and this compound have also special name known as the picric acid. When 3-nitro group is present on the position number 2,4,6, 2,4,6 trinitrophenol is also known as picric acid. Structure of phenol. In phenol, the OH group consists of oxygen atom. It is bounded to sp2 hybridized carbon atom of aromatic ring, and these, due to the presence of these sp2 carbon atom, it has a shorter carbon oxygen bond length as compared to alcohol. Both carbon and oxygen and hydrogen bond are polar because there is a electronegativity difference between carbon and oxygen and hydrogen. So due to the presence of these electronegativity difference, they show some polarity. And there are lone pair or unshared pair of electrons are present on the oxygen atoms. So conjugation exists between an unshared pair of electron of the oxygen atom and the benzene ring. Physical properties of phenol. Phenol is a colorless crystalline solid with the characteristics phenolic odor. Its melting point is 41 degrees centigrade and boiling point is 182 degrees centigrade. At the room temperature, it is springly soluble in water and it forms the pink solution, but at a high temperature it is a completely soluble in water and it causes the blisters on the skin, and it is used as many household products. It is used as disinfectant and also used in the washroom. Acidity of phenol. Phenol are more acidic than alcohol. The pKa value of phenol is 10 and pKa value of alcohol is 16 to 20. The more pKa value mean less will be the acidic. So pKa value of phenol is less than alcohol. That's why the phenol are more acidic as compared to alcohol, and phenol are less acidic than carboxylic acid. The pKa value of carboxylic acid is 5. So less the pKa value mean, more will be the acidic character. Why phenol are more acidic than alcohol? Phenol exists as the resonance hybrid of following structure. Oxygen has lone pair of electron, and these lone pair of electron are resonating through the aromatic ring. Thus, due to the resonance, oxygen atom of OH group acquire a positive charge and hence attract the electron pair of OH bond, it leading to release of hydrogen atom as a proton. And we know कोई भी कंपाउंड जितना आसानी से H पॉजिटिव रिलीज़ करेगा उतना ही वो स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड होगा. फिनोल बहुत आसानी से अपना H पॉजिटिव आयन रिलीज कर देता है एज कम्पेयर टू अल्कोहल because of these resonance or the conjugations. So due to the presence of these conjugation, the phenol can easily release its proton. That's why it is a strong acid as compared to alcohol, because no conjugation is present in alcohol and hydrogen atom is more tightly held to the oxygen atom. Hence it is very difficult to release the hydrogen atom in alcohol. That's why alcohol is less acidic than phenol. Due to the resonance of oxygen atom, it requires a positive charge and hence attract the electron pair of oxygen atom leading to release of H positive ion. In the phenol, the oxygen which is attached to the carbon, this carbon is sp2 hybridized, and sp2 carbon hybridized is more electron attracting than in sp3 hybridized carbon atom in alcohol. So that's why phenol can easily release its proton as compared to alcohol, and after the release of proton, the phenol is converted into negative fan oxide ion. This is known as fan oxide ion. So these negative fan oxide ion also stabilize itself through different resonating structure, but these resonating structure is not possible, or these delocalization of negative charge is not possible in alcohol or alkoxide ion. So now consider the ionization reaction of alcohol and phenol. If alcohol is dissociate into the water, the ionization take place. Alcohol is converted into hydronium ion and alkoxide ion, RO negative. RO negative. This is known as alkoxide ion. Phenol, after release of hydrogen atom, it is converted into fan oxide ion. Ar is represented as the phenol. When negative charge on negative oxygen is present on the phenol, then it is known as fan oxide ion. So this fan oxide ion is formed after the release of hydrogen atom, and these fan oxide ion is stabilize itself through different resonating structures, and due to the presence of these delocalization of negative charge, the equilibrium is more shifted towards these fan oxide ion because it is more stabilized, but this delocalization is not possible into the alkoxide ion. So that's why alcohol have no tendency to form the stabilized alkoxide ion or hydrogen ion, so it cannot easily donate its proton. और कोई भी स्पीशीज जब आसानी से अपना प्रोटॉन नहीं देगी, इट्स मीन इट इज़ लेस एसिडिक. फेनॉक्साइड फिनोल, इन द केस ऑफ फिनोल बहुत आसानी से अपना H पॉजिटिव आयन देगा. H पॉजिटिव आयन दे के वो फेनॉक्साइड में कन्वर्ट होगा. फेनॉक्साइड आयन अपने आप को स्टेबलाइज करेगा, और हम जानते हैं कि जितना स्टेबलाइज एन आयन होगा उतना ही स्ट्रॉन्गर एसिड होगा. So if we compare the alkoxide ion and phenoxide ion is more stabilized as compared to alkoxide ion. That's why phenol is more acidic than alcohol. Comparison of acidity of phenol and carboxylic acid. Why phenol is less acidic than carboxylic acid? Because pK value of carboxylic acid is 5 and pK value of phenol is 10. So less the pK value, its mean more will be the acidic character. So if we compare the resonating structure of carboxylic acid, in the structure 1 and 2, these structures are not equivalent, so these structures are less stable. After the ionization or the release of proton, these carboxylic acid is converted into carboxylate ion, and the resonating structure of carboxylate ion are shown here, and structure number 3 and structure number 4 for the carboxylate ions, these two structure are equivalent structure, and it is the rule of resonance that any species that have the equivalent structure or more resonance stabilization as compared with the non-equivalent species. If we compare the acidic strength of carboxylic acid and phenol, the resonating structure of phenoxide ions are not equivalent, but the structure of carboxylate ion are equivalent. It's mean the carboxylate ion or the anion of carboxylic acid are more stabilized as compared to anion or phenoxide ion. The resonating structure of carboxylic acid are non-equivalent, so it is a less stable, and the equilibrium is shifted toward the right hand side to form the carboxylate ion, because carboxylate ion are more stable as compared to carboxylic acid. Thus carboxylic acid have tendency to undergo ionization and to form the more stable carboxylate ion. The resonating structure of phenoxide ion are not equivalent as shown below, while the resonating structure of carboxylate ion, the structure number 3 and structure number 4 are equivalent. That's why carboxylic acid are more acidic than phenol, because after releasing the proton, the phenol is converted into phenoxide ion. The phenoxide ion is less stable as compared to the carboxylate ion, and less stable the species, its mean less will be the acidic character. The resonating structure of carboxylate ion are equivalent. Hence, carboxylate ion is more resonate stabilized than phenoxide ion. Thus, the carboxylic acid is more acidic than the phenol. Relative acidity order of some other compounds are shown here. Carboxylic acid is more acidic than carbonic acid, which is more acidic than phenol, which is more acidic than water, and which is more acidic on alcohol. What are the effect of substituent on the acidity of phenol? If we have electron withdrawing substituent or electron donating substituent, so what are the effect of these substituent on the acidity of phenol? If electron withdrawing group is present on the phenol, then after the release of proton, the phenol is converted into phenoxide ion and hydronium ion. So if electron withdrawing group is present, it disperses these negative charge of phenoxide ion and stabilize the ion. And when this ion is stabilized due to the presence of these electron withdrawing group, it means it increase the acidity of phenol. And if electron releasing or electron donating substituent are present, it intensify the charge, it destabilize these phenoxide ion, and it also decrease the acidity of compound. So if we have phenol, and acidic strength is more if electron withdrawing group is present. Why? Because it stabilizes the anion. After releasing of proton, these phenol is converted into phenoxide ion, and the negative charge of these phenoxide ion is stabilized if electron withdrawing group is present. Electron withdrawing group, for example, if NO2 group is present, NO2 group is electron withdrawing group. So when NO2 group is present, it increases the acidity of phenol. So electron withdrawing group is present on the ring, it decreases the electronic density on the oxygen atom, it decreases the negative charge on these phenoxide ion. When there is decrease in negative charge on the phenoxide ion, it increases the stability of these phenoxide ion, and we have discussed the more stable the phenoxide ion, more will be the acidic character, so it increases the acidity of the compound. And if electron donating group is present, for example any alkyl group, suppose methyl group is present, it has electron donating effect. So electron donating group is present on the phenol, then it decrease the acidity because it destabilizes the anion which is formed after the release of proton. The phenoxide ion which is formed after the release of hydrogen atom, if electron donating group is present, then it destabilizes the ion. So when it destabilize or it increase the electronic density because it donate the electron towards the ring, so it increase the negative charge on the oxygen atom. When it increase the negative charge on the oxygen atom, it decrease the stability of phenoxide ion. When it decrease the stability of phenoxide ion, mean it decrease the acidity of compound. So if we have nitro group is present on the phenol, 3 nitro group is present. Nitro group is electron withdrawing group. So more electron withdrawing group is present, its mean more will be the acidic character. 2,4,6 trinitrophenol, it is more acidic than 2,4-dinitrophenol, and it is more acidic than 4-nitrophenol, and it is more acidic than phenol. Nitro group is electron withdrawing group, and electron withdrawing group stabilize the phenoxide ion. It decrease the negative charge on the phenoxide ion and increase the stability of phenoxide ion. When phenoxide ion is stable, then it increase the acidity of phenol. On the other hand, if methyl group is present on the phenol, it methyl group decrease the stability of phenoxide ion, and when it decrease the stability of phenoxide ion, it decrease the acidity of phenol. NO2 is electron withdrawing group. More electron withdrawing group is present, more will be the acidity. That's why 2,4,6 trinitrophenol is more acidic than 4-nitrophenol. Girls, hope so all these things are clear to you. The method for the preparation of phenol and the reactivity of phenol we will discuss in our next lecture, inshallah. Girls, please make a correction in the last MCQs of exercise of alkyl halide, which we have discussed previously, that alkyl halide when react with excess of ammonia, it gives primary amine. The correct answer is primary amine, because if we are taking excess of ammonia, the major product will be primary amine. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.